You know you stop by to here because the nature called you. Your soul is craving reconnection, rerouting, regrounding with her beauty, with her energy. You are called to find urgently, somewhere, anywhere, connection to Mother Earth. And in the meantime, this is only the spark of energy. I am channeling to you directly from the source of Mother Earth and all her beauty and all her flora and fauna, butterflies and everything and everyone else that is around. So don't waste your time, don't delay, just keep going and find anywhere any spark of water, any spark of greenery, any spark of energy, of pure nourishment. That's what we all need right now to neutralize our energies, not to be too low, not to be too high, just to find our 0 point, and from there we can create the magic we are wishing for. We can become the masters of our creations. And so it is. Much love from Mother Gaia and Loveritas. Yes.